I know who's winning the 2026 Super Bowl. Just kidding. But I know how to make a model to predict who's gonna win. First, I'm importing pandas and NumPy for all my data work. Then I'm going to import scikit-learn for machine learning and Seaborn for cute plots. Next, I'm gonna load in the dataset. I found play-by-play data on GitHub. I'm loading in years 2015 to 2024 for training and 2025 for prediction. Here, I'm not using a random train test split. I'm training and testing based on time. And here's what some of our data looks like. Now, of course, we're gonna standardize our columns. Now, since each row was a play, I'm gonna aggregate by game. So here I'm creating a couple of flags depending on what kind of play it was, whether it was a pass or a run. And I'm gonna group by game, and I'm taking some variables like turnovers, penalty yards, passes, rushes. After aggregating, each row is a game and not a play. So we have a few things: offensive success rate, offensive turnovers, offensive yards per play, some defensive variables as well. Here I'm also gonna create a data frame of the actual game outcomes. So for example, you can see in 2015, this was a regular game between the Broncos and the Ravens. The home team was the Broncos and they won. Now I'm gonna join these two data sets. This is what our model ready data set looks like. So here's the model, and I'm gonna use a logistic regression for this one. Now we have an accuracy of 68.5%, which isn't really good, but any model is gonna have a tough time predicting the outcome of this game. We can also visualize this, and if you see the confusion matrix, we have lots of false positives, but overall accuracy is still pretty okay. What does this model say about the actual outcome? If we predict the Super Bowl outcome with this, the model is predicting Seahawks with 59.2% probability. What are your predictions for the Super Bowl? Leave a comment below with your prediction, and if you're interested in all things data, let's talk about it.